All right, we're back, and now this is the next YoLink component we're going to be using today in our home security setup, and it's the siren horn with wired connection to the siren controller by YoLink, and it connects into this connector. And this is all completely battery operated with 4 AA batteries, guys, and it comes included with the batteries that are going to last you probably about 3 to 5 years. And it's nice because you don't have to have an outlet at your spot that you're going to put your siren. You can have it, in my case, I'm going to put it out in my pool area, which is the central part of my home, and just have the siren go off whenever it wants to trigger a warning, whether I'm here or away. Also, I'm going to get the passive alerts through my smartphone if somebody triggers one of those contact entry points around my home that we've already connected and hooked up. So let's go ahead and see how easy this is to connect to our YoLink system. I'm going to go ahead, unclamp it, the side door. There's where your batteries will fit in this battery compartment. Batteries are included, which is nice. That gets you up and running for the first 4 years. Go ahead and shut the compartment and seal it, because in our case the QR code to pair it is on the back of this controller case. So I'm going to go ahead and log in here and get screen recording going. And I'm going to open the YoLink app. And at the top right corner again, we're going to go ahead and hit that scan icon. And we're going to go ahead and scan our QR code on the back of our controller. Picked it up, easy and simple. I love YoLink for that. We're going to name this, I'm going to name it Alarm. Something simple so I can easily, once we get it hooked up to our Alexa device, it's going to be something that comes to mind, especially for my dad living with us in the house, my wife, a whole bunch of people. When you're going to hear this siren going off, you're going to think that is an alarm. That's probably going to be the first name that comes into your mind. So I'm going to make it simple and easy by doing that. And I'm going to hit save. And the room, remember I made my room home alarm. That's part of my home alarm system, and the check mark at the top right corner. Check that and click the bind device button. You have successfully added the device. Hit done, and it should be, there it is, alarm, right down here at the bottom in the YoLink app. Now I told you I've got a property in Kentucky where our RV's at, so I've got a room set for Kentucky, RV Kentucky. And I've got 2 temperature YoLink sensors there with a YoLink hub that they connect to, and I can have real live temperatures from my RV. And my other selection room was home alarm, and these are all the YoLink components that we have hooked up today, and we're going to get to that and test them out, test this home alarm system out, see if it's something that you would like. This YoLink system that I'm setting up today did my entire Todd's World compound, which is big. It's large, right? You've seen the images of it, the overhead, my plan of how I devised to make all the YoLink products work. All right, guys, I've got my siren set up. I plugged it into the YoLink Siren Controller unit, and I'm in the app now. I just want to try it out, see what happens. I'm going to go to my home alarm system room, and where is it? Alarm. I'm going to press on alarm and open it up. And I've got a button there that says start alarm. Let me do that. It works. Guys, that is ear-splitting loud, and it works as a panic alarm. Just go into YoLink app to your alarm and just press start alarm if you get scared around your house, if you think somebody broke in. But hopefully the YoLink sensors will take care of that.